Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a single post template with Elementor Theme Builder. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize the design of your blog posts across your entire WordPress site, giving them a consistent, professional look without having to edit each post individually. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser, navigate to your website's admin URL, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your WordPress dashboard with all the main navigation options on the left side of the screen. Now, from that left sidebar, navigate to Templates, and then click on Theme Builder. This is where Elementor allows you to create and manage templates for different parts of your website, including headers, footers, and single posts. The Theme Builder gives you complete control over how your content is displayed. Once you're in the Theme Builder section, look for the area labeled Single Post. You'll notice a plus icon right next to it. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is where you would normally begin creating your custom single post template, designing exactly how you want each blog post to appear to your visitors. However, here's where you might hit a small roadblock. In order to enable the single post template feature, you must first upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor has limitations, and the Theme Builder functionality, including single post templates, is reserved for Pro users. This means you'll need an active Elementor Pro subscription to proceed with creating and customizing your single post templates. If you don't have Elementor Pro yet, you'll be prompted to upgrade at this point. The upgrade unlocks not just single post templates, but a whole range of advanced features like custom headers, footers, archive pages, and more. Once you've upgraded and activated your Pro license, you can return to the same screen, click that plus icon again, and begin designing your single post template with full access to all of Elementor's powerful design tools. And that's the process for creating a single post template with Elementor Theme Builder. While you'll need the Pro version to actually build the template, once you have it, you'll be able to create stunning, consistent blog post designs across your entire site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.